It's gardening time, time to clean up. And what we have here today is some plant stands. And we're going to show you what it looks like. It comes in a packaged box, set of two, individually wrapped. And when you take them out, this is what they look like. They got a nice dark color. Check online for further details about the wood and the craftsmanship. They got two locking wheels on the opposite diagonal side. And what we're going to do is place this down on the planter and move it around. So I got my planters here. I got a couple set down on the floor. We're going to lay it down and we're going to start to move our planter. Be very careful. Things may be heavy and they are going to fit right on the planter and be able to maneuver it. Please check the size you need for your planter stands. They maneuver quite easily and a little difficulty if the ground is uneven. When spring is set in, I am ready to go with my planter stand. They're not just for planters, so if you have something like this little patio heater that you want to put on wheels, it goes on nicely that you can roll where you want. Small barrels, large barrels. Doesn't matter what barrel you have. These planter stands do a nice job rolling around. You prevent markings on the floor like so. You place underneath and you put your foot, slide. And that'll protect your wood. If you have an old stand that you want to transfer to a new stand, you can do so. These stands, they can withhold up to 150 pounds. I am 160 pounds plus. As you can see, it's very sturdy indeed. Up to 12 inches in diameter pots, made of very sturdy pressure-treated wood, plastic caster wheel, set of two. A great stand for indoors and outdoors. It'll last you a very long time. I hope you enjoy your stand, your rotating pot stand holder. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.